If you're thinking about moving to Idaho and you want to know what homes actually feel like, then this video is for you. My name is Greg Langhaim. I'm an associate broker here in the Boise, Idaho area. So if you're thinking about coming to the Boise, Idaho area, pick up the phone, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email so we can connect and put a game plan together that's right for you. Now, come with me and let's tour this home. Okay, so this is the layout that a lot of people are looking for when they come to Idaho. The reason why, it has this nice open space. Kitchen area is wide open, and this is what's great. This is a lifestyle that allows you to just interact with friends and family and that community that I talked about when moving to Idaho in my last video, where your neighbors want to get to know you. This is where you can invite them over. You have a nice island area for cooking and organizing your things, and you have some bar stools you can put up here, and you can still interact with your friends and family. You're not isolated in this kitchen, especially when you are entertaining. Okay, so this kitchen space is great because it opens right up to the outdoor space. And in the hot summer nights here in Boise, Idaho, you're gonna wanna be out on the patio, grilling, and just enjoying this massive patio, which is fantastic. So what I said earlier in this video about this backyard, this is a great backyard. You have RV parking for your trailer, your boats, right off to the side. This, you can have your griddle, your barbecue, you can put an awning over here, but this is just a great place for your kids to hang out and you to enjoy some privacy. One thing about the Idaho summers that you'll love about this home is you'll get that morning sun, which will make this whole living area just bright in the mornings, and in the hot evenings, this will all be covered and shaded, which will make your nights so pleasant sitting out here. Okay, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It is for sale right now, so I'll put the link down below in the description of this video. It's listed at $386,900, 1,471 square feet. It is a 2-story with a 2-car garage. Like I mentioned, it has that RV parking, which is so nice. Sits on a corner lot, 0.15 acres. This was built in 2023, so it's a newer home. What's great about this house is the homeowner has already completed the home inspection, so all the kinks and all the unknowns have already been found, and the seller has already completed that for the new buyer. So you can literally just make an offer online, sight unseen, and it is ready to go. It is turnkey, ready for you. So this house is just perfect. All 3 bedrooms are upstairs along with the laundry room, which makes it really nice so you don't have to go up and down with the laundry basket. Hey, let me know what you think. Do you like this layout? Do you not like this layout? Drop it below in the comments and let me know. Okay, already this house feels completely different from the last. Narrow hallway, you have a sitting room right off to your right, my left, and as you come in, you have this 8-foot ceilings, which feels a little bit smaller than the 9-foots that we had in the last house. You have this nice open space, which I actually like, just like in the other house. And it does have that openness where you're not, confined into one room only. You really just have a nice flow, which really is great when it comes to gathering with family and friends.
Welcome to the kitchen. This kitchen's a little smaller than the prior house that we looked at last week, but it still has abundant cabinets. It has the soft close cabinets and drawers, which is a nice feature of this builder. You've got stainless and black appliances, an expansive island, a little smaller than the other one, but there's no sink in it, so you've got a little more room to do your crafts or your cooking. Then we've got plenty of space over in our pantry. Once again, a little smaller than the other house, but there's still plenty of space for your appliances, your food, and your extra storage. Then we have a short hallway that goes to the garage, as well as the half bath. So let's go check out upstairs and check the bedrooms.
Welcome to the second story of this home. So I'm standing right here in a nice sized loft, which is perfect for if you want to have a family room, an extra family room upstairs, a bonus room, a TV room, a craft room. It's really such a nice extra space. Also, there are 4 bedrooms up here. The master suite is actually up here as well. So you have all 4 bedrooms upstairs, which is a good thing to keep in mind because not everyone loves that, but some people are okay with that. Also, what is really important to note is that the laundry room is upstairs as well. So you don't have to be trekking up and down the stairs to do your laundry.
Okay, so a lot of comparison on both these houses. This house, smaller, no, same size,
Same size.
less price.
Way less price.
How,
$60,000 less price.
that's huge.
It is huge.
That's a big difference on the payment, right?
That's huge, but there are some differences. This is not a corner lot.
Oh, you're right.
This is, in the middle of the regular road, which is fine, which is great. The master bathroom is a little bit different in this house to the other.
Okay, yeah, this one doesn't have a soaker tub.
Nope.
Just the shower. So if you're a soaker tub, is it worth $60,000 more or not?
But I think the big difference is that this is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. The other home is single-story, 4 bedrooms and only 2 baths. It's really in your layout and design for the things that you want.
Yeah, they both have the 3-car garage, which I think, people coming to Idaho, they look for that. That's a good resale point, I think.
It absolutely is. We like to keep our stuff.
Yeah. It's interesting to me though, Tracy, like we're in the same neighborhood and there's a $60,000 swing in these 2 houses. That's a lot.
It's a lot. It really surprised me, the difference in price.
I know, like literally around the corner. So, I think that's why it's so important. And whoever you work with, whether it's us on the Go Idaho team or any other realtor, you really should have representation when you go into new construction because there are incentives, there are, we can get you into these different houses and spend the time with you and walk these houses with you and kind of have these conversations, is it worth it to have this, backyard or on the corner lot? You're good at that with your clients. That's why so many people love working with you, repeat clients with you. They just love your personality and they keep coming back to Tracy. So, when you're coming to Idaho, reach out to us. We want to give you an unbiased tour of what is important to you? So Eagle is one of the most requested places people want to live and move to when they're coming to Idaho. So I'm going to walk you through this home and show you exactly what the $900,000 will get you here today. Okay, so right away as you come into this beautiful home, you'll notice the space, the width, the natural light, the nice wood flooring, but most importantly, you're gonna notice the view of your lake right out the back. It is so amazing. One thing that buyers are always looking for, and this home has it, which is fantastic, is a fireplace. And this house has a beautiful fireplace right here with a great mantle. So this is already loaded, fireplace ready to go to warm up your house in that winter time. Okay, the kitchen always sells the home, and this kitchen is set up just to do that. You have quartz countertops, 5-burner gas stove. Layout is perfect for entertaining guests and cupboard space, plenty of area to entertain and host and lay out the food. This kitchen is really set up to enjoy this lake house and just to have your friends and family over. This is what sells a home, is this kitchen right here. Okay, most people relocated to Idaho, they want this layout for their living room. They want to feel connected. They want the kitchen, the space. They want to be able to have their friends and family come and still feel comfortable and have that open feel, especially when their friends come to say, especially when their friends come over to see like, wait, why did you leave California for Idaho? Okay, I get it now. This view, oh my gosh. So this layout is especially great for entertaining and having friends and family come visit. And honestly, this backyard is why people come here. This is your backyard. You have a private beach down here, semi-private, I guess. You could say hello to the neighbors across the lake, but honestly, you have your canoe, your paddleboard pulled up here, you have your sand chairs, and you're just sitting there roasting hot dogs or marshmallows in the summertime. You have your lawn chair set up here. Maybe you have a little spike ball going on, but this is why people move to Eagle, Idaho, is for a backyard like this. Maybe you have your Traeger, maybe you have just your barbecue. But if you can picture yourself leaving your little house in California and coming up here, or Oregon, Washington, Arizona, wherever you're watching this video, and sitting out here and enjoying this view, this is what it's all about. This is what $900,000 will get you here in Eagle, Idaho. This neighborhood that we're in is Legacy. It has so many amenities. It has a par 3 golf course, swimming pools. It has walkable sidewalks to walk the dogs, to just walk, pickleball courts, tennis courts. It has everything, a massive park and playgrounds. This is why people come here, is for that outdoor living, and this space and these views have it all.